Welcome back to today's episode, where we explore a topic that's essential for anyone venturing into the workplace. Office favors, the art of asking for help. Imagine this. You've just landed a new job, you're filled with enthusiasm, ready to tackle your tasks, but then you realize you have no idea where the bathroom is.
Oh wow, I can totally relate. It's kind of like getting a brand new smartphone, so many features, and yet you can't even manage to turn it on. So, how do you even start asking someone for help in an office like that?
Exactly. It can often feel like you're navigating a minefield. You want to approach someone without being intrusive. A good opener could be, "Excuse me, but can I bother you for a second?" It's a polite way to signal that you need assistance.
That makes sense. It's almost like asking your crush for their number, but you don't want to appear too eager, right? So, do you think the office culture can change how people respond to those requests?
Absolutely. The workplace environment can vastly alter the dynamics of these interactions. Some offices feel relaxed, while others seem to resemble a high-stakes chess game. In a fast-paced setting, where everyone is glued to their screens, you might want to say things like, "I hate to bother you, but," to introduce your request.
Oh, right. It's like a dance, needing to find that rhythm. But, what if you're new and don't even know where to find the right person to ask? Should you just ask anyone, or does picking the right person matter?
Great question. Typically, you want to focus on someone who seems approachable and is not swamped with work. There's always that person in the office whose desk is less cluttered, right? You want to choose someone who likely has a moment to spare and who may actually know the answer to your question.
Wow, that's such a fun analogy. It's kind of like a treasure hunt. You're figuring out who holds the key to the answers you need. What about coworkers who made a similar struggle? Can you ask them for help too?
Absolutely. Asking someone who's been in your shoes often makes for a great connection. They'll likely understand your challenges and be happy to lend a hand. A nice phrase to use is, "May I get you to do me a favor?" It's friendly and promotes a sense of collaboration.
Oh, that's really clever. But, what if you get nervous and stutter when you're asking for help? That can be such a bummer.
Such a real worry. And yes, nerves are completely natural. You can always prepare a little script for yourself. Or just use a simple line like, "I'm sorry to interrupt, could you help me out briefly?" It both acknowledges the interruption and sets a polite tone.
Haha, it's almost like being on a game show. You want to sound confident, but still keep it light. Have you ever been in a situation where you asked for help and totally ended up in an awkward moment?
Definitely. I remember once asking the wrong person for help with the coffee machine, and it turned into a 3-minute lecture on the coffee-to-water ratio. Not quite what I bargained for, but I learned something new.
Haha, that's hilarious. So, I guess it's all about learning on the job, right? So, what's the big takeaway here? Asking for help can really become a skill we can work on.
For sure. It's all about politeness, practice, and understanding your environment. The more you ask, the more natural it becomes. Embrace it!
It's definitely like building a muscle, isn't it? The more we ask, the easier it gets over time. As we wrap up, what's one last piece of gold advice for someone new in the office?
Don't hesitate to put yourself out there. Everyone has been in your shoes at some point. Step outside your comfort zone and make use of those phrases we discussed. Soon, you'll find yourself helping others as well.
Wow, what a motivating note to finish on. Thank you for sharing these valuable tips today. I genuinely feel more confident about asking for help now.
I'm thrilled to hear that. Remember, every great journey begins with a simple question. Thanks for joining us today, everyone.
Music.